Welcome. Today we are going to talk about 9 foods seniors must eat to combat muscle loss. If you are worried about strength, balance, or feeling more tired when doing everyday tasks, this video is for you. I will walk you through simple, tasty, and practical foods to add to your meals. I will also share easy ways to prepare them, how often to eat them, and quick tips to make eating for muscle health enjoyable and realistic. First, a quick and friendly explanation about muscle loss. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink and become weaker. This is called sarcopenia. The good news is that the process can be slowed, stopped, and in many cases improved. The two most powerful tools are the right nutrition and regular, gentle resistance exercise. Today we focus on nutrition, specifically 9 foods that support muscle strength, recovery, and overall health. Number 1, eggs. Why they help. Eggs are a complete protein. That means they contain all essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. They are also rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals muscle synthesis. How to use them. Enjoy eggs at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Soft scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, or a vegetable omelet are all easy and gentle on digestion. If swallowing is difficult, consider soft-boiled eggs or mashed scrambled eggs with a little milk. Suggested serving. 1 to 2 large eggs provides a strong dose of protein and leucine. Pair with a slice of whole grain toast, some cooked spinach, or a small serving of fruit for a balanced meal. Tip: if cholesterol is a concern, talk with your healthcare provider. Many seniors can enjoy whole eggs safely, but personal medical advice is important. Number 2, Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Why they help. These dairy options are high in protein and are rich in leucine. They are also easy to chew and digest. Greek yogurt often contains more protein per serving than regular yogurt. How to use them. Have a bowl for breakfast or a snack. Add soft fruits such as banana, cooked apples, or stewed berries. Stir in a spoonful of chia seeds or a small handful of soft nuts for texture. Suggested serving. Half a cup to a full cup depending on your appetite. Aim to include 15 to 25 grams of protein in a meal when possible. Tip: choose plain or low sugar varieties and add natural sweeteners like fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey. Number 3, salmon and other fatty fish. Why they help. Fatty fish provide high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and may support muscle health, recovery, and brain health. How to use them. Bake, grill, or poach salmon with gentle seasonings. Canned salmon is an excellent, budget-friendly option and is soft and easy to add to salads or mashed with a little yogurt for a spread. Suggested serving. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fish per week, with each serving about 3 to 4 ounces. Tip: if you do not like fish, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement after checking with your healthcare provider. Number 4, chicken breast. Why they help. Chicken provides lean, high-quality protein with minimal saturated fat. It is versatile and familiar, which makes it an easy way to increase daily protein intake. How to use it. Cook chicken until tender, then shred for soups, stews, or casseroles. Poached or slow-cooked chicken stays moist and is easier to chew. Try chicken salad made with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for extra protein. Suggested serving. 3 to 4 ounces per meal, combined with vegetables and whole grains. Tip: buying pre-cooked rotisserie chicken can save time. Remove the skin to reduce excess fat if desired. Number 5, lentils and beans. Why they help. Legumes provide plant-based protein, fiber, and important minerals like iron and magnesium. They are gentle on blood sugar and support heart health as well. How to use them. Lentil soup, bean stews, or mashed beans on toast are all soft, easy-to-eat options. Combining legumes with a whole grain such as rice or quinoa creates a complete protein. Suggested serving. Half a cup to a full cup of cooked legumes at a meal. Canned varieties are convenient. Rinse them before use to reduce sodium. Tip: if gas or bloating is a concern, introduce legumes slowly and consider using canned and well-cooked versions. Adding a small piece of kombu seaweed when cooking dried beans can ease digestion. Number 6, tofu and other soy products. Why they help. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are excellent sources of plant-based protein and contain all essential amino acids. Tofu is soft and easy to chew, making it a great choice for seniors. How to use them. Add soft tofu to soups, stir fries, or smoothies. Marinated baked tofu can be added to salads or served with steamed vegetables. Edamame makes a great snack. Suggested serving. A half a cup of firm tofu or half a cup of edamame provides a solid protein boost. Tip: look for calcium or vitamin D fortified tofu if you are also aiming to support bone health. Number 7, quinoa and other whole grains. Why they help. Quinoa is a complete protein among grains, and whole grains provide steady energy. fiber, and vitamins. Pairing quinoa with other protein sources helps maintain muscle and keeps you feeling full longer. How to use them. Serve quinoa as a side dish, in salads, or mixed with beans and vegetables. Soft-cooked oatmeal or cooked barley are gentle options for breakfast and can be boosted with yogurt or milk for additional protein. Suggested serving. Half a cup to a full cup of cooked whole grain per meal is a good target depending on appetite. Tip: pre-cooked or microwavable whole grains can save time and make regular use more likely. Number 8. Nuts and nut butters. Why they help. Nuts are calorie-dense and provide healthy fats, protein, and important nutrients such as vitamin E and magnesium. Nut butters are easy to spread and swallow. How to use them. A tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter on toast, added to smoothies, or stirred into yogurt boosts protein and healthy fat. Ground nuts or smooth nut butters are easier to chew and a great option for those with dental issues. Suggested serving. 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter, or a small handful of nuts, is a healthy snack portion. Tip: store nut butters in a cool place and choose no sugar added versions. If choking risk is a concern, use smooth nut butters and avoid whole nuts. Number 9. Lean red meat in moderation. Why they help. Lean cuts of beef and pork provide high quality protein, creatine, and iron. Creatine may help with strength and muscle mass in older adults, and iron supports energy and oxygen delivery to muscles. How to use it. Choose tender cuts and prepare them slow and moist, such as braising or slow cooking, to make them easy to chew. Ground lean beef can be added to sauces or stews. Suggested serving. Small portions, such as 3 ounces, once or twice a week, combined with vegetables and whole grains. Tip: balance red meat intake with plenty of vegetables and heart-friendly choices. If you have heart disease or other health concerns, discuss suitable amounts with your healthcare provider. Now, a few important nutritional tips that go beyond the 9 foods. These are practical steps you can use every day to make the benefit of these foods even stronger. Protein spread throughout the day. Aim to include protein at every meal. Instead of having a tiny breakfast and a large dinner, spread protein into breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Each meal should ideally provide 20 to 30 grams of protein to support muscle repair and growth. For many seniors, 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day is a reasonable target, but talk with your healthcare provider to find the right number for you. Focus on leucine. Leucine is an amino acid that triggers muscle building. Eggs, dairy, chicken, fish, and soy are good sources. If you struggle to eat large meals, small, frequent protein-rich snacks like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a smoothie with whey or soy protein can help. Include healthy fats and omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, mackerel, or flaxseed help reduce inflammation and support muscle health. Nuts and seeds also provide healthy fats that support overall nutrition. Stay hydrated and support bone health. Drink water throughout the day. Include calcium and vitamin D-rich foods such as dairy, fortified plant milks, tofu with added calcium, and fatty fish to support bone health, which is closely linked to muscle function. Be mindful of calories. If you have poor appetite, focus on nutrient-dense choices. Nuts, nut butters, and full-fat yogurt are calorie-dense and can help preserve muscle when eating less overall. Easy combinations and recipe ideas. Morning power bowl. Prepare a bowl with scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt, half a cup of cooked quinoa, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a handful of soft berries. This combines protein, whole grain, healthy fats, and antioxidants in a gentle bowl. Comforting salmon salad. Mix canned salmon with Greek yogurt, a little mustard, soft cooked peas, and chopped soft avocado. Serve on whole grain toast or over soft cooked quinoa. Lentil and vegetable stew. Simmer lentils with carrots, potatoes, and mild seasonings until very tender. Add shredded chicken or cubes of soft tofu for extra protein. Smoothie boost. Blend Greek yogurt, a scoop of whey or soy protein powder if tolerated, a tablespoon of nut butter, a half banana, and a handful of cooked oats for a filling. High protein drink. Simple tofu scramble. Crumble soft tofu and gently saute with cooked spinach and turmeric. Serve with whole grain toast or steamed sweet potato. A sample day to include these foods. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach, a side of cooked quinoa or whole grain toast, and a small cup of Greek yogurt with soft berries. Mid-morning snack. A smoothie with Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a half banana. Lunch, slow-cooked chicken sandwich or salad with canned salmon and soft-cooked vegetables on a bed of quinoa. Afternoon snack, a small serving of cottage cheese with stewed fruit, or a handful of nut butter on a rice cake. Dinner, braised lean beef or tofu with lentils and steamed vegetables. Finish with a small cup of yogurt if you like. This day includes eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon or chicken, lentils, tofu, quinoa, nuts, and lean red meat across the meals if you choose. You do not need all 9 foods every day. Rotate them across the week to keep meals interesting and balanced. Practical shopping and cooking tips for seniors. Buy smaller packages if storage is a challenge. Frozen fish, frozen vegetables, and pre-cooked grains are nutritious and easy to use. Canned beans and canned salmon are budget-friendly and simple to add to meals. Use slow cookers, steamers, or instant pots to make meats and legumes tender without much effort. Prepare double portions and freeze single servings for later. Safety and medical notes. If you have kidney disease or other chronic conditions, you may need to tailor your protein intake. Always discuss major diet changes with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. If you have difficulty chewing or swallowing, work with a speech therapist or your care team to find safe textures and alternatives. Check for possible food interactions with medications you take. Exercise pairs with food. Nutrition alone is not enough. Gentle strength training 2 to 3 times per week can dramatically improve the benefits of a protein-rich diet. Simple examples include chair stands, light resistance band work, wall push-ups, and carrying grocery bags. If you are new to exercise, start slowly and consider a physical therapist or supervised class to practice safe technique. Motivation and consistency. Small steps add up. Try adding one of these foods to each meal for a week. Notice how your energy, balance, and confidence change. Celebrate progress, even if it is small. Eating for muscle health is a long-term investment in your independence and quality of life. Summary and quick recap. Eggs for a powerful breakfast boost. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese for easy, leucine-rich protein. Salmon and fatty fish for protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Chicken breast for lean, versatile protein. Lentils and beans for plant-based protein and fiber. Tofu and soy for soft, complete plant proteins. Quinoa and whole grains for protein and steady energy. Nuts and nut butters for healthy fats and extra calories. Lean red meat in moderation for creatine, iron, and high-quality protein. Final encouragement. You are not alone in this journey. With the right foods, a few simple cooking tricks, and gentle exercise, you can fight muscle loss, feel stronger, and enjoy life more. Start with small steps, make gradual changes, and celebrate every success. If you found these ideas useful, try one new recipe this week that includes one of the 9 foods. Listen to your body, talk with your healthcare team, and keep moving forward. Thank you for taking the time to care for your strength. I am cheering you on as you add these nourishing foods into your routine.